Hello and welcome to quite a spontaneous painting classic cars video. Here on a very sunny Saturday morning, nearly afternoon. Here with my Galaxie, and as you can see, it's not a shiny, painted, lovely car like you're used to seeing. It is very much patinaed, and I was just sort of doing this. I'm halfway through the roof now, but I sort of thought, well, we should make a video about it because I'm actually sealing in some of the patina using Sweet Patina. Which is an American product. It's quite hard to get over here in the UK, but people love it, people rave about it. Apparently it's very easy to use, and as you can see from one side of the roof to the other, it actually looks like quite a nice product so far. So I've gone around the car, given it the first clean I've ever given it, and yes, the water was very mucky. Let that dry off. And this is as simple as wiping it on and wiping it off after about 20 minutes. So yeah, I'm quite looking forward to actually seeing if I can get to the middle of the roof, the finished product, and seeing what kind of sheen it gives the car. I'm expecting a bit of a matte sort of finish to it. But so far, I mean, if it stays like this, then I'll be quite happy. So yeah, I'm gonna go around the car, apply it. I might even do a panel at a time because it's such a big car. So I might do the roof, wiping it on currently, and then I'll wipe off about 15 minutes later. Yeah, I'll probably do a panel at a time. Benefits. Seals in any sort of rust. It helps prevent further deterioration and metal oxidization. It goes right into the pores. So with the patina, there's texture to it. Small pores, small pitting, bits like that, and it will seep into the whole lot. And it goes into a hard finish, almost like a wax type. So it actually says that it will bead up with water, any sort of water. So yeah, it gives it that extra layer of protection against a little bit of water. So yeah, I'm basically hoping that I've got enough in the bottle to do the whole car. Yeah, we'll go from there, I think. So I'll probably set up. Yeah, I know, I can't reach it. So I'll probably set up a camera. A lot of this will be time lapse. I think it's going to be quite a chill video. I probably won't speak much because there's not a whole load to talk about. So yeah, sit back and enjoy me patinaing up my car. Yeah. Okay, so that is one full coat of the Sweet Patina over the whole of the Galaxie, and I must say it's looking really, really nice. It's got a kind of sort of satiny type of sheen to it. It's quite clear that there's a nice protective layer on it. Yeah, I'm quite looking forward to how it holds up, basically. It's really surprisingly, I've only gone through about a third of a can, and I spilt a little bit, which I was annoyed about. But yeah, really surprisingly, only a third of a can, and you can apply this straight over the top of the pre-existing Sweet Patina, which I may actually do now. Keith's off. I've got the keys to the garage, so I might spend another hour or two just giving it another coat. Yeah, and we'll see how it goes from there. But I mean, with a real quick polish up of the chrome, got to clean the glass yet. some would say it would look good as new. But yeah, really pleased with this stuff. Quite surprised how well it's actually worked. And I know that some other sort of oil-based patina protection products work very well, but I know that for a fact that this one does, which is why I went for it. So yeah, really pleased with how it looks. Might even send you an update in a couple of weeks' time or something like that after another coat. So yeah, there you go.